Welcome back. If you've been using Facebook Marketplace on your computer and you want to check all the seller responses you've received, this new update makes it possible to find them in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps on Facebook Web so you can quickly locate your marketplace ratings and review the responses you've given. First, open Facebook Web on your PC and make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open your account menu with several options. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. Once that menu opens, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a lot of your past actions, so it's the right place to look if you want to find marketplace-related activity. Inside Activity Log, go to your Facebook activity. You may see different categories here, so take a moment to look through the options carefully. Now click on Facebook Marketplace. This section contains activity linked to your marketplace use, including ratings and interactions connected to buying and selling. After that, enter marketplace ratings you have given. This is the part you need if you want to review the responses tied to your seller activity. Here, you should be able to see the relevant marketplace feedback and responses listed in one place. If you don't see everything right away, scroll a little and wait for the page to finish loading, especially if your account has a lot of activity. Facebook sometimes takes a moment to display the full log, and that's it. By following these steps, you can find all your seller responses on Facebook Web from your PC using the newest update. It's a simple process once you know where Facebook hides it, and now you can check it anytime you need. If this helped, keep watching for more Facebook tips and easy tutorial guides.